Have you ever noticed that when you get ready to do something, you're always missing one or two things? I'm going to be making a new workbench top, and I don't have a way of flattening it after I get it all glued together, other than spending about 2 or 3 weeks sanding it. I'm Spencer, and today I'm making a router sled, and I'll use that to flatten my 2x4 workbench top. I don't normally need a router sled, so I won't be making it out of hardwood. Instead, I'll be using OSB and some 2x4 scraps that I already have, because for now, I only need it for this one project. If you're ready, let's get started. Like I suspected, using that OSB board about 1/2 inch thick, it's kind of thin for a sled, and it's not really that stiff of a material, so I did expect some flex in it, and there was some flex in the middle. So like I suspected, there was some flex in the router sled because I made it out of about 1/2 inch OSB board, but it was in the middle, it wasn't that bad, and the router would tilt a little bit back and forth as I went back and forth across the sled. So it put little lines in it, and it really didn't really affect it that much. So in short, the flex in the sled wasn't really enough to be of a concern, and it didn't cause me any extra sanding either. All in all, I was happy with the way the sled worked and how it turned out. Alright guys, do me a favor, find that subscribe button and click on it, and then the bell icon so you get notifications of future videos. We can't forget about the thumbs up icon. Click on that and let me know you enjoyed watching. Down in the description below, I put a link to the workbench top video. Check that out. And like always, thank you for watching.